Maybe somebody will hate the thing that you do, and if they hate it, you will feel really bad. It's a horrible feeling. We've been accustomed to just abhor that feeling of not being loved and valued. And if you're not loved and valued, take it to the primitive baby infant place, because that fear of an infant, vulnerable infant, is still in us all, no matter what we accomplish. Well, if they don't like it, that means they don't like me. And if they don't like me, they'll separate from me, and maybe everyone else will separate from me, and then I'll be all alone. And if I'm all alone, I'll die. And there's truly a mortal fear that presents itself. It's nothing, it sounds funny because, you're not going to die, and we're not babies. But that memory that's somewhere in our brainstem, this primal place, it's still really strong. And I don't think we ever overcome it entirely, no matter how old we get, how many trophies we have up on the wall. Marv is still in us. We just have to be kind of aware of the process.